favorite teacher paragraph 120. My favorite teacher is. She teaches us science as a subject. She has a unique way of teaching. She gives examples from real-life situations to make his lessons interesting. She is the master of her subject. She uses question-answer method and enables the pupils to discover things for themselves. I used to be very weak in science, but due to his teaching I improved a lot in science. She keeps perfect discipline everywhere. She advises us to follow the path of truth and goodness. She works with a sense of devotion and dedication, good ethics and moral values to develop our personality. Her life lessons provide us the strength to deal with any kind of problem in our lives. I am grateful for having such a teacher in my life.